Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on your ASUS ROG Phone 6T. So on this device we have a Google Lens, so the method is very simple. The first thing what we need is open the Google Photos app and then look for the photo that you want to search in the Google. Sorry, I have to allow access. Okay, and now you are looking for the photo that you want to search other photos by this photo in the Google. Like this cutie spider, and now just click on the Google Lens icon and whole process starting automatically, and now we're looking for similar or the same image in the Google Pictures database. You can see that we have exactly same picture like on your phone. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.